gentle friends, my name is Gina Dominique and I hope that you're having an absolutely wonderful day so far. Today we are going to be packing for yet another conference. This one I'm actually not staying overnight away from home. This is more of a just daytime activity type of deal, but I'm super excited because we are going to be packing everything into the Kanken No. 2 15-inch laptop backpack. And if you watched my previous Pack for a Conference video, this is the backpack that was on the way and didn't arrive in time. So I am very happy to actually be taking this with me to a conference for the first time. And I want to show you everything that I'm bringing and how it fits in here. So without further ado, let's get packing. Starting off, we are going to pack the laptop compartment of the backpack, and there are two items that are going to go in there. First one is, you guessed it, it's the laptop. And I do like to keep it in its own separate sleeve, even though this is a padded compartment, just for a little additional protection, but also because I like to remove this laptop sleeve and sit on it during the conference, just for a little bit extra padding for my backside. Additionally, this seat pad comes standard with the Kanken backpacks. In the No. 2 backpack, it's covered in this material that's the same as the outside of the bag. In the other Kankens, I believe it's just the piece of foam. This I also like to stack with the laptop sleeve and sit on. I did that for the last conference and it actually made a really big difference. So hang on to these, never throw them away, bring them with you. And typically this does live in the main compartment of the backpack, but I'm putting it in the laptop compartment for ease of access throughout the day. Ta-da! Next, we are going to pack up the front pocket of the backpack with all of those little quick access items, including my card wallet, my AirPods. These are the AirPod Pros, and my husband just got these for me. If you're wondering if the noise canceling is all it's cracked up to be, yes, these are incredible. I love them so much. Highly recommend. My laptop power cord, and this is a hair tie. I use hair ties for everything, for my hair, for cord management, for attaching stuff to other stuff. Whenever you need some kind of a stretchy holder, hair ties, they're the best. Pack extras. Finally, my little spray hand sanitizer from Trader Joe's. Now, I don't go around using this all the time by any means, but when your hands are gross, the last thing you want to do is be digging around touching all of your other stuff looking for this. So that's why it is joining the quick access things up front. And that is that. Let us move on to the main compartment. First item going in the main section of the backpack is my brand new Kindle Scribe. I got it in the jade green color and it looks like this. And I absolutely love this already. I think it's going to be amazing for conferences because you'll see it comes with this little pen stylus guy up top, and it has a notebook feature with a ton of different types of paper, so like lined, graph, dotted. I am one of those people who loves to take notes by hand because I feel like just the physical act of writing makes things stick in my head better, and I think this is going to be really cool and helpful for retaining all of that awesome new conference knowledge. So this guy's going to go in first. But just because I have a new Kindle does not mean I have forsaken the old one. I absolutely will still never leave home without the Kindle Paperwhite. So this guy's coming too. Another thing I don't like to leave home without is these little face wipes, especially for a very long day like at a conference. It's just really nice to have to wipe my face, make myself feel more human again, or if you touch something and your hands get sticky or you spill something, you know, they're not antibacterial or anything like that, but in a pinch they are really good to have on hand. Now, I know I said that I wasn't planning to stay away from home overnight for this conference, and that is the plan. However, Southern California, we love our natural disasters. We have earthquakes, we have fires, we have all kinds of craziness. So I just always like to be really prepared when I'm going long distance. I just like to be extra super duper prepared for my own peace of mind. So I'm bringing this, and this Lucky Charms bag just holds all of my really basic toiletries. For instance, hairbrush, toothbrush and toothpaste, deodorant, shower scrubbies, and more hair ties. You can go ahead and think I'm crazy, but it's coming for the peace of mind. On that same note of being prepared, potentially over-prepared, this is what I like to call my bag of tricks. And it has all kinds of little essentials in here. So things like charging cords, a little wall brick, my chapstick, glasses cleaning cloth, tweezers. I have one of those little multi-prong power bank things. Just so many things can fit in here that you don't need until you need them, and then you really, really need them. So that is why this comes with me in every purse, backpack, bag that I carry. Just, again, peace of mind. Now, I have two pairs of glasses. I have these for distance, and then I have a pair for close-up, like computer distance. And I will probably need these the most just to see presentations. However, since I am bringing my laptop, if my eyes do start to get very tired taking notes, close face-to-face kind of deal, I'm bringing my close-up glasses in the most adorable glasses case in the world. My best friend got this for me in Japan. Isn't it so precious? I love this. Maybe I'm just bringing them because I want to bring this case with me because it's so cute. Either way, it's always good for me to have. Just another thing that makes me feel more comfortable. So if I do start feeling that eye strain, I can switch it up. You guys know I get hangry. So here are 2 granola bars. This is the Trader Joe's Fiberful bar. This is a protein bar from Trader Joe's. And these are just to keep me fueled throughout the day. I love that they are just really easy to carry around. They're not messy, they're quick. So just a little something something in case I need it. Last item for the main compartment of the backpack is this jacket. It is super lightweight, it folds up very small. And the reason that I'm bringing it is because, as you may know, if you watched my previous conference video, I went into that with a lot of confidence. I shouldn't have, okay? This conference is at the same venue, and in March, I froze my ass off, okay? If you watched my In the Fitting Room video and you were like, oh my God, her ass is so flat, where did her ass go? I froze it off at this conference, you guys. It was so cold. I know you think I'm being dramatic right now, maybe I am, but I'm not the only one who thought so, okay? A grown man in long pants and a thick-looking hoodie asked, is it super cold in here or is it just me? No, sir, not just you. It is very, very cold. I hate being cold. I can't stand it. I'm a little wuss. I don't like it at all. So, bringing a full-on extra jacket. I will also be wearing layers. I'll show you what I'm wearing at the end of this video, but I'm prepared this time. I will not freeze again. This is what the main pocket looks like, all packed up. And we just have 2 more items to go in the outer side pockets. Before we wrap up, as promised, here is the full conference fit. The tank top is Old Navy, cardigan and skirt are American Eagle. This obviously has not been steamed yet, but that will happen. And the shoes are Doc Martens. There you go. Okay, I know I have talked a lot of shit in the past about these Kanken side pockets and how they are not super functional. I do stand by that. However, if you do not pack the main compartment completely full, then you can sort of wiggle something in there. So that's what we're gonna do right now. In this first side pocket, we're gonna put my little water bottle, which I got at a different conference, and it actually fits pretty nicely in there. In the other side pocket, we're gonna put my phone. Ta-da! And with that, we are fully packed up. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, gentle friends!